Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and today we have here another package, another unboxing. This one is from Major League Hacking. I believe these are the MLH Coach swags. So yeah, looking forward to unboxing this. I'm not able to show the package because it has like some information, but let me just open it up real quick. I'm changing my entire setup, so you're gonna be seeing some really amazing videos now. It's really nice content. Oops. There's something in here. Not really. Okay, this is the package, and yeah, let's dive into it. I don't know what I'm saying. Anyway. Shout out to MLH first of all. Let me open it. So MLH Coach is basically, we are like, if you might have attended like an MLH hackathon, right? So over there you see there's an MLH representative. Make sure that the event is going smoothly, and our goal is to basically empower hackers. It's like 135,000 hackers, students, and even like who are not students who attend hackathons. The goal of a coach is to empower these hackers for the mission of MLH, which is to bridge the gap. Because hackathons are a great way to let's say you want to try out a new tech. So hackathons are a great way to try out new things, build products on top of it, all these things. Alrighty, first things first. Oh, there's a bunch of stuff in here. Even though the package was small, it's like very compacted, so that's why. We have an MLH cap, Major League Hacking. Wear that. Oh, 1 second. It says coach on the back. So when I'm at an event, in-person events, I'm going to be wearing this cap so people will know that I'm an MLH coach, so that they know whom to ask the question or something like this. Nice, that looks good. Awesome. Next thing we have is, where is it? There's a bunch of stuff packed in here. Okay. That's a bunch of stuff. This is pretty cool because you cannot get this swag anywhere. Reason being, it's like that. See the Major League Hacking. Wait for it. You can see my name over here, Kushwaha. Right? How cool is that? My own t-shirt. Print is also pretty nice. Yep, that's my name on it. So this is officially like Kunal's t-shirt. Official Kunal swags. I have like 3 of these. 1, 2, 3. This is also the same one. So nice Major League Hacking logo. This logo is also in my Instagram DP, in the t-shirt, in my Instagram DP t-shirt. So the animated one that Major League Hacking makes for all the team members. So make sure you check that out. The links are in the description. You have a nice card. Thank you for hacking with us. See you later, alligator. Thank you, MLH. Pretty nice. Next we have the season t-shirt, I believe. Oh, the season mask. Oops. Oh, my chair is making weird noises. Okay, so this is the MLH season mask, you can see. And this is the t-shirt. This one. Let me open it up. Pretty cool. Here we have the season t-shirt. It says MLH 2021 Hackathon Season. Nice little logo over there, mascot. It's pretty cool. And it says MLH on the shoulder pads as well. It's such a small package and so many swags. It's like there's more. One more season t-shirt. Let me just... Yep, this is the 2020 season. So as you can see, same structure of the previous one. This is the 2021 hackathon season. You can see the ducky over here. Alright. We have a nice little 2021 season sticker as well. And then we have... Is there anything else? Does not look like it. We have a nice little fanny pack of local hack day. It says local hack day on it, right? So you can see there's like a zipper here. You can put your stuff. And I went to Sikkim recently and I had a fanny pack. It was really handy, and I don't think I'm ever going on a trip without a fanny pack. It's like you don't even realize it's there, and all your important things like your power bank and everything is in it. Wallet, passport, flight tickets and things like that. Mobile phone. Cool. This is pretty nice. Adjustable strap as well. That was a lot of stuff. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, I believe. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Thanks a lot for watching, everyone, and I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. We'll be sharing like more and more some nice initiatives are coming. So make sure you check out the links in the description, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.